Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we are going to show you how to create product templates. Creating product templates can improve design efficiency and prevent starting from scratch every time for similar or repetitive designs. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Go to our product catalog, select a product and click Design. In the mockup generator, you can add designs or text to complete your creation. After completing your design, click Save Template in the top right corner, set a title for the template, then click Save. Once saved, the template can be found in the Product Template section. It's worth mentioning that if you use the Personalize feature in the mockup generator, a personalized icon will appear in the top left corner of the product template. This helps differentiate between personalized and non-personalized templates. If you need to make adjustments to an existing product template, simply click on the template to enter the mockup generator and continue designing. Don't forget to click Save after editing. In the product template page, you can click the top right corner of the template to rename or delete. If you have too many saved templates and it's hard to find them, you can quickly search by entering the title in the search bar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your watching.